Oh, look at all of that. This is going to be so tasty and so easy. So you can see here that I'm getting started by adding 1 can of sweetened condensed milk right into my saucepan. On top of that, I have 2 bags of butterscotch chips I'm gonna add right in with that. Moving right along here, I have some chopped pecans. Now, I'm not gonna be stingy. I'm gonna add about a cup of chopped pecans right into that mix as well. That's what we got going on so far here today, guys. So be patient, take your time, and stir it all together on low heat, just fully combining all of those pecans, the butterscotch chips, and the sweetened condensed milk. This is looking so good. You guys can tell how smooth and creamy it is, loaded and packed with pecans. We are doing a 3-ingredient butter pecan fudge today, and I love whipping this up, especially around the holidays or any occasion. It is so wonderful to share. Everybody loves this stuff. So we'll go ahead and turn that heat off. That looks great. And all we're gonna do now is we are gonna start to pour all of that butter pecan fudge. Look at how smooth that is and the way that it just pours right out of that container. Oh my gosh, this is so satisfying. And I love seeing how packed with those pecans it is. Oh yeah, look at that, just spreading all over the pan right on its own, you guys. This is the perfect consistency fudge, and not to mention the easiest. So you can see it's already kind of starting to cool down a little bit. So you just want to gently and quickly just start to move it all over the top. Now, you know, I know that we have it packed with pecans, and you can say whether or not you want to do it or whatever, but I'm gonna take some more of those pecans and I'm just gonna sprinkle just a little bit right here over the top, just kind of giving it a little bit of an added touch. Of course, if it's too much for you, I don't know, tell me if you have any other ideas, or maybe you wanna throw something else in with this fudge. But I'm just gonna lightly press those right there on the top, just so they stick in when that starts to settle up. Oh, this is going to be so delicious. This 3-ingredient fudge is bomb.com, I guarantee it. I'm gonna let this set up just for about a couple hours, and stick around because you're gonna love this. Yummy. Okay, 3-ingredient butter pecan fudge, let's go. So I'm just gonna lift this all the way out because I put that parchment paper on the bottom. So let's see if I can just lift this all the way up. Perfect. I'm just gonna directly take this out, peel off the parchment paper, and we will give this a taste in here. Oh yeah, I'm just gonna peel that back right there because I am eager to just dig right in. Right here in the front. Oh, look at the way the knife just slides right in there. All right, the moment of truth, here we go. Oh, it looks creamy and tasty, loaded with pecans. Yes, that's what I'm talking about here. Wow, wow. Butter pecan. This is so good. This definitely tops the charts. Wow, this was super simple. The consistency is perfect. I love the crunch of the pecans. Must try. You guys are gonna love this one. I made this for you. All right, let me know if you guys are gonna add anything in or change it up. I think it's perfect. Wow, this is great for the holidays too. I mean, anytime, but super easy to make. Make a big batch. You might want to keep at least half of it for yourself. All right, you guys, let me know what you think of this recipe. I'll see you later. Enjoy.